Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Conversation, where we help you speak English with confidence. Today, we're learning how to use superlatives, and by the end of this lesson, you'll sound more natural and confident when comparing things. So let's go. So, what are superlatives? Well, they're the top or the bottom of a group when something is the most or the least. For example, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. This is the most interesting movie I've ever seen. And I'll take the smallest cake as I'm on a diet. So we use superlatives to show one thing is the best, the biggest, the smallest, or the most extreme in some way. So how do we make superlatives? Well, there are two main ways to make them. First, when we're using short adjectives of one syllable, we add est at the end, or est. So tall becomes the tallest, fast becomes the fastest, and small becomes the smallest. For example, she's the tallest person in the class. For longer adjectives of two or more syllables, we use the most plus the adjective. So beautiful becomes the most beautiful, expensive becomes the most expensive, and comfortable becomes the most comfortable. For example, this hotel is the most comfortable place I've ever stayed. But there are some irregular superlatives, and they don't follow the normal rules. For example, we have good, which becomes the best. We have bad, which becomes the worst. And we have far, which becomes the farthest or the furthest. For example, this pizza is the best I've ever eaten. So let's practice together. Comment in your answers below. In your family, who is the funniest? And what is the most beautiful place you've ever visited? If you want to practice speaking and get feedback from friendly teachers and learners, join our English Conversation membership. The link's below.